polynomials. What are polynomials? To know more about polynomials, we need to know what is an algebraic expressions. There are so many familiar terms like constant, coefficient, variables, exponents. All these terms are related to polynomials. And also there are different types of polynomials and different degrees of polynomials. So let's discuss this one by one in detail. What is an algebraic expression? Expressing numbers using letters or alphabets without specifying their actual values together with mathematical operations like addition, subtractions, etc. There are few examples below. 4x. This is an algebraic expression. There is a number and there is a variable. The alphabets used in an algebraic expression are called variables. So 4x is an algebraic expression. The second one, 2a plus 3b. This is also another algebraic expression, 2a plus 3b. There are two terms used in this algebraic expression and there is one operation also, mathematical operation, which is the addition. So, as I said, what is an algebraic expression? Expressing numbers using letters or alphabets without specifying their actual values. So, next, what is a polynomial? An algebraic expression which includes one or more terms consisting of variables, coefficient, exponent and constants connected with mathematical operator. So, polynomial is also an algebraic expression. It may or may not include the variables, coefficient, exponent and constants. Let's see the example below, which is 5x squared plus 2y minus 7. Here, x and y are the variables and 5 and 2 are the coefficient and 7 is a constant term. And the mathematical operator used here is addition and subtraction. And we can see which is 5x squared, that square is the exponent of x. So all these can be included in a polynomial. We can see all these in a polynomial. Each polynomial will have one or more terms, more than two terms. So here the terms are, the first term is 5x squared, the second term is 2y and the third term is 7. So polynomial is an algebraic expression which includes one or more terms consisting of variables, coefficient, exponent and constants connected with mathematical operator. Now let's see what are the types of polynomials. Polynomials are classified according to the number of terms. The polynomials which have only one term are called monomials. As the name says, monomial. Mono is one. So monomials are the algebraic expressions with one term. Example 3x, y, 2a, etc. The second type of polynomial is binomials. Binomials, as the same name says, which is bi, which is 2. So it will have two terms. So any polynomial with two terms are called binomials. Example x plus 2y, 4a plus 3, a squared plus a. The terms, the polynomials, the algebraic expressions with three terms are called trinomials. Example a squared plus 3a plus 15. So the types of polynomial according to the number of terms, the polynomials with one term are called monomials, with the two terms are called binomials and three terms are called trinomials. What is the degree of a polynomial? Polynomial is also classified according to the degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial is the largest sum of the exponents of a term. For example, first here it is x squared plus 2x plus 1. The highest exponent of a term here is, the terms here are x squared and the second term is 2x and the last term is 1. The highest exponent of a term is 2 here. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. For second example, it is a cube plus 3b squared plus 2a plus 3. There are 4 terms in this polynomial, which is a cube is the first term, 3b square is the second term, 2a is the third term and 3 is the last term. Which is the highest exponent of a term here? We can see a cube. So 3 is the degree of this polynomial. The last one, 2x cube y squared plus 3x squared plus 4. What is the degree of this polynomial? Here there is 3 terms. The first term is 2x cube y squared. The second term is 3x squared. And the third term is 4. What is the degree of the first term? Here we can see it is x cube and y square. So there are 2 exponents. So to find the degree of a polynomial, we need to find the sum of the exponents. The sum of the exponents for the first term is 3 plus 2, which is 5. So we can say the degree of this polynomial is 5. Again, the degree of the polynomial is the largest sum of the exponents of a term. Types of polynomials based on their degrees. First one is zero polynomial. Polynomials with 0 degrees are called zero polynomials. We will see the examples in our next page. The second one is linear polynomials. Polynomials with 1 as the degree of the polynomial are called linear polynomials. Another one is quadratic polynomial. Polynomials with 2 as the degree of the polynomial are called quadratic polynomials. And there is cubic polynomial. Polynomials with 3 as the degree of the polynomials are called cubic polynomials. There are more according to the degree, but these are the most used polynomials. The first one is zero polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. Now let's see few examples of these polynomials. Let's look into the types of polynomial according to their degrees. The first one is the 0 degree polynomial, which is called as constant. For example, 2, 3 and 5. If we look into 2, we can say 2 can be expressed as 2 times x to the power of 0. Any variables which is expressed with the exponent as 0 is equal to 1. So any polynomial with 0 degree are called constant polynomial. The second one is linear polynomial. The polynomials with degree 1. For example, x plus 2, y plus 5, 3u plus 4. Here we can say all the variables are to the power of 1. It's not necessary to write 1 as the exponent. It is understood. So any polynomial with 1 degree is called linear polynomial. The other one is quadratic polynomial. Any polynomial with degree 2. For example, 2x squared plus 5, x squared plus 2 by 7x, 5x squared plus 2x plus 5. We can say there are 2 and more than 2 terms in some of the examples. We need to find the degree of the polynomial. We are taking the highest power of the highest exponents, the sum of the highest power. Here the highest power is 2. So these are under quadratic polynomial. The last one is cubic polynomial, the polynomials with 3 as their degree. Examples, 8x cube, 2x cube plus x plus 1, 6 minus x cube. Here the highest power of the variable x is 3. So these are cubic polynomial. So now we have seen what are polynomials, what are the different types of polynomials, the degrees of polynomials, and other later terms like the exponents, the coefficients, constant, variables, etc. I hope you are clear with the basic concepts of polynomials. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.